Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today, well, a quick one. I've got a lot of things to do this weekend, so I'm throwing this one up, so to speak. We're going to visit Hershey World in the New York Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. We're actually expecting a blizzard here in the New York City area tonight, starting tonight, going into tomorrow, so I need to prepare for that. I also want to finish the final touches. I'm waiting for some cables for my weekly show or semi-weekly show that I'd like to do live from New York. That'll be coming up shortly, so I'm finishing that up in the garage. And like I said, lots to do. I'm putting this video up. We visited Hershey, I'd say about 2.5 years ago. We visited the M&M and the Coca-Cola stores more recently, but we haven't visited Hershey's in a while. So we're going to take a walk through today, the New York Hotel and Casino. It's right on the strip here, and lots of candy. Okay, so right off the bat, good news, bad news. Good news for you, this video is probably coming in under 8 minutes, which means no commercial interruptions. That is good news for you, isn't it? And the bad news? Well, the bad news is for me, this video will probably come in under 8 minutes, which means no commercial interruptions, which is bad news for me because I need those commercials to feed my Lego habit. Hey baby, how about a kiss? Kiss in Spanish is beso. Do you think Hershey kisses in the Spanish countries or Spanish-speaking countries are called besos, or are they still called kisses? I don't know. There's lots of photo opportunities here at the Hershey store as well as the M&M and the Coca-Cola store, so that kiss was obviously one of those photo opportunities. I'd say the mix here at the Hershey store is about 50% branded merchandise and 50% edible candy. My suggestion is if you absolutely must buy something while you're visiting the store, make it the branded merchandise. Don't buy the candy. There's a CVS and a Walgreens within feet of this store, and it's about half the price. Okay, maybe not half the price, but it's a lot cheaper. You know where I'm going.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
I like this Hershey store because they have a Hershey Kitchens area, which is a bakery pretty much with everything made from Hershey ingredients. Everything from pastries and cookies and brownies, all made with Hershey ingredients. By the way, if you're interested in brownies, they have brownies across the street with other special ingredients. And again, you know where I'm going. Welcome to Las Vegas, people. Before I forget, a shout out to Jarvis Landry 14 who found Clarice, the Miss America crown, in my latest Atlantic City video from the Cuba Libre restaurant at the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. Good eye, Jarvis Landry 14, way to go. So, do you know what the #1 selling candy bar is here in the US? Well, it's not really a candy bar, it's Reeses Cups, the #1 selling candy bar, or well, whatever you want to call it, here in the US. And it happens to be my personal favorite as well. I love Reese's bars, and I love Snickers. Snickers, you won't find them here at the Hershey store. They're made by M&M Mars. Let's head upstairs, shall we? You might be wondering, how many candies does Hershey actually make? Well, some of them include Hershey Extra Dark, Hershey Symphony, Hershey Drops, Hershey Miniatures, Hershey Pot of Gold, Hershey Nuggets, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, Hershey Kisses, Reeses Pieces, Reese's Candy Bar, Kit Kat, Whoppers, York Peppermint Patties, Mounds, Almond Joy. Let's see, they also make Icebreaker Gum, Icebreaker Mints, Icebreaker Sours, Jolly Ranchers, Twizzlers. It goes on and on and on. They also make a ton of baking products and have a theme park in Pennsylvania. And that's it. Like I said, a short one today. What's your favorite candy bar? Leave a comment below.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.